Back guys, in this video we'll be performing Ethernet and ARP version 8.0. So firstly let's just know what is ARP. Okay, so ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol, and how can we capture these frames? Okay, so actually to give you a brief idea of what Ethernet frames are, Ethernet is just a protocol that operates on the data link layer of the OSI model. Okay, and it encapsulates the data for transmission over a network. And actually we can capture the packets by filtering, just use an Ethernet adapter port, like connect with the Ethernet connection and just filter it with the eth dot type it is equals to 0x0806. Okay, and yeah, we'll just look into it in further. So yeah, firstly let's just open it up. So now after opening up, as I have cleared the cache, I don't need to. So once if I have captured this link, hold on guys, I'm just copying it. Yeah, see, actually this is the same link, so I'm just pasting it. I'm not entering it up. Okay, and now open Wireshark. Yeah, once Wireshark has been open, now open this, and yeah, just paste it up and restart it. And now over here you can just enter it. Yeah, I guess it's been captured. Now again refresh it up so that you might get a confirmed packets. So once you have captured it, stop it up and filter it with HTTP. See, we didn't get it. So actually, we should get. Actually, why I didn't get it is because I have unfiltered the IPv4 protocol. So no need to worry. This you won't get anything regarding that. We'll just move forward to the questions. As we move into the questions, let's just start it up. See, over this step, there is no particular need. If you just do it, you'll just get a similar window as we have been getting it in the previous videos. There's just another captured package where we'll get the HTTP get message, so no need to worry about it. And in the next thing, there is a thing like this lab is about Ethernet. We just have to unselect the IP protocol. I have done it, so I'll just show you how to do it. Over here in the analyze button, in the enable protocols, just search for IPv4. Okay, I have unselected, right. If you have this, actually in the default version it's selected, you have to unselect it, and if you unselect it, you get it this paths over here. If you didn't do that, you might be getting the same IP addresses. So yeah. Uh, Now let's just answer the question. So what's the 48-bit address of your computer? Okay, so for that, as we have been using the Ethernet traces of the Wireshark, just open the similar window of Ethernet trace. So over here, what was the first question asked, guys? Yeah, what's the 48-bit address of your computer? So the 48-bit address of my computer is this one. Okay, see, where is it? Yeah, in this. See, the 48-bit address of my laptop, of my computer is 00D059A93D68. Okay, so that's my Ethernet address of my computer. Okay, and next question, what is the 48-bit destination address in the Ethernet frame? Is this Ethernet address of the specific website and what device has it. Yeah, okay, for that question just open it up. See, the destination address of it is 000625DA87 and 73, and that's not the same address as the specific address which we wanted for the website. Okay, it is address of uh, my server router address. Okay, so next question. uh, Give the hexadecimal value for the 2 byte frame field, and what's the upper layer protocol does this correspond to? Okay, so actually the hexa value is 0x800, which you can see over here. It's for everything and it's same as the for everything, and this corresponds to the IP protocol that indicates the next layer above the IP, and this layer is a thing which corresponds to the payload of its Ethernet frame and will be passed to the Internet protocol. Okay, next question. How many bytes from the very start of the Ethernet frame does the ASCII G in the get appear message in the Ethernet frame? See, for that over here in the 10th frame, I guess. See, just drag the button of it. Over here, just tap on the G where the get. Just tap on the G. You can see it's on the 47 bytes, right? So the ASCII G appears 47 bytes from the start of the Ethernet frame, and that's it. Okay. Now next question: what's the value of Ethernet source address, and is this the address of your computer, and what device has it? Okay. So for that question, see the answer for it is yeah, you can see over here the address of it is hold on a second, guys. The fifth one, right? Yeah. Over here, the source address is 00D059A93D and 68. Okay, and it is neither the Ethernet address of my GAIA server or not the address of my computer. It's the address of the uh, router which has been working on the Ethernet. Okay, and it's a link that used to get into my subnet. Okay, I hope so you get it. The next question, and what's the destination address in the Ethernet frame, and is this the Ethernet address of your computer? Okay, so the destination address is 000625DA and 0773. So how can you verify it is because if you just drag it up, you'll get it like a get message. So what get message is generally actually get message is a response for the HTTP request message, right? So that's the Ethernet destination address, and what's the hexadecimal value, and what does it correspond to? So similarly, uh, yeah, what was the question we were discussing about? Yeah, Sam question, right? Yeah, the value is same as 0x0800, and it does corresponds to the IP protocol. Okay, and next question: how many bytes from the very start does ASCII O in the OK message appear in the Ethernet frame? So for that, if you just go into the 12th frame where I get the OK message, right? So over here, if you just drag the OK button, just tap on the OK over 0. Uh, yeah, it have been started from the 54th frame. Okay, so that's the answer of it. And next question. So the next thing is ARP. Okay. Uh, yeah. Now we'll be moving forward to the ARP catching. So generally, there are ARP is I have said it before also. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. So there are multiple commands like let's say I don't know anything about ARP. I just want to know what commands do the exist. So just into the ARP. Okay. Over here you can see what all you can do. See over here, ARP/A. If I just say ARP/A, it just displays the what all catches that have been on my computer. Okay. See what I've been getting over here. See, I have got the Ethernet and the permanent Ethernet, and there are multiple interfaces Ethernet address. Okay, so that's the answer for the ninth question. And there's another command called ARPD. So, what all the cache that are being present in my computer can be cleared by using this command ARP/D. Okay, now all the cache have been deleted. So, yes, guys. Now again, we have done it in the previous way. There's nothing important for that. Yeah, and let's just answer the questions which we have got for the ARP. So, 10th question, what are the hexadecimal values for the source and the destination in the Ethernet frame containing the ARP request message? Okay, see over here, ARP request message. What's the source path? Is like source address. Source address is 00D059A93D38 68, and the destination is FFFFFFFF. Okay, and next question, what's the hexadecimal value for the 2-byte Ethernet frame feed? So the hexadecimal value is 0x0806 for that, guys. See, you can see that over here where see it is 0x0806. And next question, download the ARP specification, and as of now that's not any important. If you just want to read it, you guys can read it. And how many bytes are there from the very beginning of the frame does ARP opcode field begin? Okay, so if you just drag it up, if you just tap over it, you guys can see there are it is from the 1500. So the answer is 59. And what's the opcode field within the ARP payload part of the Ethernet frame, and in which an ARP request is made? So the opcode field, yeah, it's a be right, yeah. The hex value for the opcode field within the ARP payload for the request is 0x0001. And next question, does ARP message contain in the IP address of it? So yes, there is a message that has been containing, and yeah, see over here you can see that it wants to say to something that there is a message over here. So yeah, there is a message. And next question, guys. D. Where in the ARP request does the question appear in the Ethernet? So for that, see there is a particular thing like a target MAC address, right? So just go to this, and over here there is a target MAC address over here. So which so over here, this is a target address, right? And 0000000 is been questioning the machine to correspond the IP address, and it is being queried in the field. Okay, now next question. Now it is same as the thing. Now find the ARP reply that was sent in the response to the ARP request. So yeah, this is the ARP reply, right? Just like similar questions as of both, and you guys can have the three questions which has been similar. Now I'm giving you a small exercise, the same as before, and as I have shown you guys the procedure, just solve these three questions. Yeah, and now next question, 14th question. What are the hexadecimal values for the source and the destination address in the Ethernet containing the ARP reply message? See, the hexa value for the address is 000625DAAF and 73, and the destination is 00 uh, D059A9 3D and 68. Okay, so that's it for the exercise, guys. Thank you.